guys to a G&T show. We have something really special to show you today. We're going to show you how to turn this ordinary inexpensive fish pump as a substitute to replace the use of these tweezers for all kinds of sample prep.
Reverse the airflow of this fish pump into a vacuum. We've also added this toggle switch here where you can turn it on and off so that you can easily control how to pick up these small particulates.
And what are those different filter, the pipette tips are on?
Oh, very nice. You can see here I have different types of pipette tips here, and this particular one has a frit or filter on here that you can use so that when you turn on the vacuum, it doesn't suck it right back into the fish pump.
Oh, so you can purposely suck in certain particles of a certain color and like kind of manipulate them around from others.
Yes, exactly. And so while doing that, you can then pick it up and put it onto like this boric acid shell or cellulose shell and just place it right on there so that you can easily analyze it.
Okay, or mount it on different substrates or things like that, so we can run IR or Raman or a variety of different techniques.
Yes, yes. So we're going to show you next how to do that. We hope you found this episode useful on how you can turn an ordinary fish pump into a sample prep tool where you can easily pick up small particulates to prepare samples for XRF or onto this diamond compression cell for IR. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you next time.
And remember
to click the like button.
And no fish were harmed in the making of this video.
That's right.